Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, this is an avatar inspired makeup tutorial using bubble wraps for texture. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, so first step is I'm thinking of putting this cut out bubble wrap on my forehead, just like this. Because we're going to take care of the texture first. You can put it there, put it here, or here. It's definitely up to you. You can customize this look, of course change the color. I think it looks good in here, and then I'm just gonna put a little one in here. Or you can put it on your neck as well, and I'm gonna try to glue that in using Elmer's glue. So let's see how it goes. Try to make it as even as you can. Like look straight to your camera or your mirror. And then I'm gonna put another one on my forehead. And I think a triangular shape right on the neck. Okay, now since that is already in place, we don't have to wait for this to dry up before we can start to paint over it, especially that the glue is literally under the plastic, the bubble wrap. Alright, so while we're waiting for this to dry, just one tip by the way with regards to the bubble wrap on your neck, be sure to put that below where your neck folds, or else it's just gonna flap over and it's gonna be a mess and it's gonna be irritating. So put that just right below so you can nod down comfortably without the plastic, the bubble wrap dismantling. I don't know the word, I forgot. But anyway, while we're waiting for that, I am going to apply a white face paint all over. And I'm gonna try this time using a beauty blender, so maybe it'll be easier, especially on these parts, and we'll see. If not, I'm gonna try using a brush. Now I'll just continue doing this up to right here, I guess. Then I'll be back. Now since I'm done doing that, wherein apparently it is way easier to use a beauty blender to apply your face paint. And now what I'm just gonna do is getting a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna be using blue, this blue, and paint over every bubble in this bubble wrap. And I'm just using this tissue to blend over the blue and the purple parts. And now I'm going to create an outline on all of these bubble wraps, as well as do my nose and my contour. Now that we're done with that, I'm just going to be having here a crease brush, a blending brush. I don't know what you call it, but it's fluffy and it's white and it's definitely not dense. And dip that in purple. And create my nose contour. And using an eyeshadow brush, I am going to do a fine, really fine line on my nose. Once you've done that outline, just blend it outwards. but I want this to be as sharp as I can. Now, on to contour. And I'm going to create that kind of shape. This eyebrow was a mistake. It's ugly. I'm going to remove that horn on that eyebrow. Now, using a crease brush, I'm going to apply blue eyeshadow all over my lids. I'm sorry if it's a bit random, but I don't have an exact plan going about this. Just like always, I just plan it all in my imagination and then improvise later on. And something's missing, definitely. So what I'm gonna do now is get the most glittery eyeshadow that I have and go over the blues and the purples. Now I'm just going to be putting on some rhinestones and see where we're going to put that exactly. These are just stickers. Now it's time for some highlighter. Alright, so I guess that's that. It's kind of weird and overdone. I'm not really happy with it, but I'm just gonna try to create another one. So I hope you were able to get some tips out of this. I'm just gonna put on some hair and contacts, then I'll be back. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what I did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram at it's me, MavMav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye. Kind of weird.